Dash community call, and this is actually our 100th meeting. So, hey, Chris, are you able to control the lobby?
Yeah, I'm going to admit people so you don't have to be distracted.
Thank you. Thank you. Yeah. So not last week, but the week before, I sent out the meeting notes and talked about the two PRs that we merged. One was FastPath, one was refactoring tunnels. And it wasn't the longest meeting last week, but this is what we talked about. Riff went over the FastPath PR 502, and we did a merge, and Marian fixed his PR 453. So that was great. And then Sushant is actually out of office today, so he won't be here. And then Mircha talked about maybe doing a demo at some point in the future. And then we have ACL analysis for Andy. So that's what we talked about last time. And I hope everyone got the notes. If you didn't, that's okay. Just let me know. Give me a call. And so I was just looking at, I guess I'll see if anyone wants to go first before we look at the queue. Did anyone want to go first with PRs or issues or discussion, Q&A? Nope. Okay, Riff, did you have anything in particular today?
No. So basically I have a flow simulation and we're trying to close that. So once that is closed, I'll share the update probably next week.
This one right here, 460?
Yeah.
Okay. So did you need me to do anything on this one?
Not yet.
Not yet, okay.
Yep. So yeah, next week we probably can get an update on this one. And I will also continue to work on the FastPath API update and yeah, got distracted a little bit in the past few weeks, but yeah, we're coming back.
Yeah. Okay. And so I did notice that we had a new one come in, and it's Chris made a lot of comments on this one, but I guess I can't remember his name internally. Patarasar and Zigan talked about this one. I added it to the project where we have a failure with the default route and the drop action. And so, Chris, I think you mentioned this is just maybe a limitation of what we're doing with the model.
Well, yeah, I think there might have been I just question whether there was an expectation that the underlay was more developed than the author of this issue expected. Maybe they're trying to do something that's not even attempted to be done in the underlay.
Right. Using BMV2 Psi to add a default route, but they receive an error in Psi Thrift.
If I have a comment, it would be further down.
Yeah. I read it this morning. Yeah. And so, and you did comment here that the underlay support's limited, and we were just trying to select the ports. Yeah. So I wonder, Camille's not on this call. I don't know that Camille needs to take a look.
Yeah. So this one I will take a look.
You will?
Yeah. I will work on this one. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Thanks, Riff.
Yeah. Thanks.
So Camille and Z are pretty good at coming up with the deficiencies in the model, just FYI. They file a lot of issues and PRs. So I'll put here. Okay. And in the queue, I noticed that Mircha closed one out yesterday or the day before. Now, Riff, how's this one doing this Bring Your Own Data Plane app, HLD?
Yeah, so this one's actually being discussed offline. So, but right now I think we're not there yet. So it's more like a skeleton. Yeah, but there are more things needs to be closed. So once everything is actually set up, I will share the update. Right now it's probably not
the best time.
Yeah, not the best time to share the intermediate update. Otherwise, just like going back and forth, then will be kind of interesting. But this one will be used as a, as kind of like a starting point to actually initiate the discussion. So, but right now
Okay.
it is ongoing.
Okay. And then it looks like we have Songyu doing, have you guys seen this one, adding the Flow API?
Oh, yeah. So Flow API is actually, I think it was kind of like the idea is actually presented in the last year, late last year. So basically, what trying to do is that in a HA and all these like flow simulation, and also it's like bring on data plane app. Most of the things it actually requires like create or manipulate or get those flows in certain way. That means that we need a set of APIs to actually accessing the flows. For example, in a HA scenario, we need to do like boxing. That means we need to actually fetch all the flows and send it to the other side. So all these things actually, need to leverage the Flow API, which is why Zhichong is working on that. And this one, we're actually, this is more like a prototype, which is why this is the draft. It's not there yet for review, but yeah, we are actually working on that.
Okay, so this one maybe we wouldn't expect anything for until it comes out of draft or out of.
Yeah, and also this week and next week will be a Chinese New Year, so
Okay.
I'm actually expecting like at least a few weeks later, probably.
Okay.
Yeah, everyone comes back and continue to work. So yeah, maybe 3 weeks.
I'll just put end of
Probably have
February.
something.
Check back end of February.
Yeah,
Okay.
that makes
Great.
sense. Yeah, thank
And
you.
I had added this one. We have the HLD for PL. Okay. And okay, I think that's all that's in the pull request queue. And then for issue, I had added this one. We talked about this one. I'll go ahead and take a look at the missing documentation for, yeah. I'll put the pointers in this one for, we have service tunnel private link, but we don't have VNet peering, I don't think. Do you know if we have documentation on VNet peering? I don't have Sushant here. So I'll try and find that. I think it was just a small add-on to VNet. So I will check on this. And I guess that's everything I have. Guess Keysight team, do you guys have anything today?
Not I.
Okay. Marsha?
Nothing from my side.
Okay,
Nothing
great.
from my side.
Hey, Marian, I noticed you joined. Did you have one you wanted to talk about today? We updated a couple.
No, but one is coming next week.
Oh, yeah? Cool. It looks like we had a BMV one added also, Marian. So we have Riff taking a look at this one here, in case you're interested. But, okay, great. And this one here, 360. Did you guys have a chance to take a look? The psi attributes for ACL rules, Riff and Marian?
Probably not.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Right.
Oh yeah. Oh, that's the old one. I see. Got it. Yeah.
Uh-huh. So we can close this one.
Yeah, I think we close this one. But I forgot to attach the related PRs, I guess. Or
Was it 486?
Oh, 486. Yeah.
Okay, I got that one. Okay, so I can go ahead and close this one?
Yep.
Okay. Awesome. And then this one, are we, 436 where Mayapan from you and we took a look. about creating the multiple psi objects. Are we just hanging out with this one, or do we need to do any follow-up on this one? So I'll check with Sushant if we don't remember. It looked like this was by design, where there were multiple. Go ahead.
This one is more like a kind of like making things work solution in a lib side in the dash lib side right now. So yeah, probably not that easy to fix, to be honest.
What's that? I'm sorry.
Yeah, probably not that easy to fix, to be honest.
Okay.
Yeah.
And okay, I think that's everything I had for today. Marian has one coming next week. Morali, did you have anything you wanted to go over? Or Yakif?
Nope.
No. Okay, great. So that's what I have for this week. If there's anything I can do to help you guys out, or give me an email or a Teams message, let me know, and I'll follow up on the items I need to follow up on in here. And see, I guess I can give time back, and I'll check with Sushant on the STN items. Oh, Andy, I forgot to ask, did you have anything you wanted to go over today?
No, might have some short updates tomorrow.
Okay, great. Then I will give you guys some time back. Oh, Alberto, is there anything you wanted to talk about?
No, I'm good. I saw that you're
good?
tracking on the open item to clarify the documentation.
Mhm.
All good. Thanks.
Okay, thanks. Then you guys have a good day. I'll stop the recording and give you some time back. Sorry, that's my